Hi everyone, I'm Jackie, and while I'm not a lawyer, I'm here to bring you the latest news for U.S. naturalization. USCIS unveils another change to the U.S. Naturalization Test. As expected, USCIS is bringing back the 2020 Naturalization Civics Test, which was originally announced on November 13, 2020. They're now calling it the 2025 Naturalization Civics Test. This notice does not change the English language parts of the naturalization test, which include the reading, writing, and speaking and understanding. However, based on the announcement, it seems like more changes are coming, and I won't be surprised if the English language part will be updated as well. But for now, let's focus on the civics test. With the new test format, the question bank of civics questions will increase from 100 to 128. Applicants will be asked to answer 20 questions and need to answer 12 correctly to pass. The good news is if the applicant answers 12 questions correctly, the officer will stop the test and you'll be done. Now, you're probably wondering, which test will I have to take? Here's the breakdown. Applicants who have already applied before the notice is published will take the 2008 version of the test. Applicants who apply less than 30 days after the notice is published will also take the 2008 test. Applicants who apply 30 days or more after the notice is published will take the 2025 test. So here's what this means. Already applied? Keep studying with my current videos. You're good. Planning to apply later? Get ready for the new 2025 test. Don't worry, I'll have plenty of new content coming up soon to help you prepare. I know all of these changes can feel overwhelming, but you're not alone. I'm here with you every step of the way, and I'll make sure you are fully prepared for the naturalization interview. You can do this. And if you need more personal help, make sure to check out the services on our website. I'll keep you updated as soon as more details are announced. Happy studying!